This is tutorial number 52, and it covers how to create reference planes within Catia v5. To start off, open up the auger tutorial part, which is included on the DVD. So what we're going to do in this tutorial is we're going to create reference planes. So as you can see, the reference planes, the three that you get when you begin every part, are located up here. But let's say that I need more reference planes to make more geometry at different angles and whatnot. What you have to do is first you have to go to click Start, click the shape, and go to the Generative Shape Design workbench. Once you've done that, you're going to have the plane tool here, and you're able to toggle back and forth between your part design and the generative shape design, and everything that you make in here, like the planes, will be carried over. So this is the only place that you're able to create the planes in Catia v5. So to start off, let's say that I want to create a plane that's offset from this plane here. So I'll click that plane, I'll click the plane tool, and it'll show the offset. So let's make this offset 100, click preview, and it's going to show you 100 millimeter offset from that plane. And you can reverse the direction if you want to. Once you like it, click OK, and you got it. Now you can also do this to a face. So let's say I want to offset one from this face here. So let's click this face, click plane, and again, we'll offset it 100 millimeters. Click OK, and I've offsetted it from that face. Now, another way you're able to make planes is if you click the plane tool, and if you click the plane type, you can choose from any of these types. Now, another one that I like is through 3 points. So click it, and all you have to do is click 3 points on your part. So I'm going to click a point there, a point right there, and a point right there. And from that, I'm going to get that plane there. So you're able to, from your part, choose points and also create a plane. And we'll click OK to accept it. So creating reference planes is a very important tool in creating your part design, because the normal reference planes you get aren't always going to be exactly what you want. So you're going to have to make multiple reference planes to get on the plane or the axis and design your part exactly where you want it to be designed. Now we're going to be using these reference planes in the next few tutorials, and those are going to be on the section solids. So we're going to have to make reference planes and make sections and put those together. So this is just like a little prelude going into the next few tutorials. And this concludes our tutorial on how to use the reference planes within Catia v5.